All right, everyone, on today's video, we're installing an AFE cold air intake on the Corvette, so stay tuned. Here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm in my garage with my little one, and we're about to install an AFE cold air intake on the Corvette. So I'm gonna show you guys the process. Hopefully it's quick. I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching a YouTube video on how to do it, even though I'm posting this video to YouTube. But that's how I roll. Got to drop that in there. So I found this one on Facebook, on a Z06 group. It's brand new for like $700, I think. And I paid $350. Not bad. So supposedly, according to a dyno sheet, it's supposed to add like 37 to 40 something horsepower. So if that's the case, that's gonna be pretty legit. So that's like $10 a horsepower. So it is used. But he said he only had it on there for about 7,000 miles. So looks pretty clean. Got everything in here. So let's do it. First step is to remove these I said four screws. We'll find them. I only see 3. You're gonna need a 7mm and a 10mm. Quick update. Found the 4th one. There it is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. New update. The 4 screws are actually the 2 small ones I told you about, and then 1 on either side. So there are only 4 7mm. Not 3 7mm and a 10. Let me show you. So it's gonna be that one, that one over there that I already did and showed you. And then where to go? Ah, that one right there. So my bad. All right, we got it off as you can see. Next step is to loosen these clamps on the intake, wherever it is, over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Next, you're gonna disconnect the mass airflow sensor, that guy. And then you're gonna take off these 2 bolts right there and right here on the airbox. There's a lot of steps and I have to keep going back and forth, so I'm probably not gonna make this a tutorial video. I'm just gonna show you a little bit through the process. If you want a tutorial video, I'm just gonna give you a direct link to AFE's YouTube video that I'm watching right now. Got it sitting up there on the CRV, so I'm making progress. It's getting there. Got the kiddos helping. Alright, so I am putting it back together now. As you can see, I got the first part on. I'm no mechanic, so this has been a challenge for me. I know it's just an intake, ha ha ha. I'm learning. Alright, got the box on, putting everything back together now. Just kicking my butt. It's hot out here. Alright, y'all. My operating tools. I got it on with the help of YouTube. Thank you. Got to put the final touch on and it will be done. Thank God. This is a pain in the butt for me. But it'll be worth it. Alright, I'm done. There it is. Took me, I can tell you how long it took me. Close to an hour to do this thing. So you gotta think of what your time is worth. What is your time worth? In my mind's eye, if I could have had someone do this for 30 minutes of labor, I just lost money. I should have paid someone to do it. But as a learning experience, I got to work on my own car, which I don't really ever do or have ever done, so it's cool that I got to do that. And I got a cold air intake on there. Supposedly supposed to put out is either 37 or 47 horsepower. Got a dyno to prove it. AFE does on their website, so if it really puts that down, this thing should be 600 to the wheels. It's 650 to the fly stock, but we all know that doesn't go to the wheels, so it's probably 600 to the wheels now, according to the dyno. So anyway, that's it. I don't know if you enjoyed it. Hope you did. See ya. All right, thanks for watching. If you like that video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you could have done this faster, let me know if you could have done it faster. All right, guys, see you on the next one.